So guys, today I'm going to the mechanic shop because my window is not going up. You know, it used to work, but suddenly stop. As you can see, it's coming down. If I put it down, then there would be a problem. So it is coming down, but not going up. So let's see what could be the resolution. Is it the window power, window motor has gone, or whatever is the costing? I've called the car service center. They said it would be some around 2,500 rupees if the motor is, damaged. So replacement cost. The cost, the price of the replacement parts is 1,800 and the service charge is 600 something, so 2,500 you can take. It used to work, when I start the car, for after 5 minutes of running it used to work, but all of a sudden it stopped working and it's not working anyway, right now. So we'll just go and check and I'll show you what is the resolution. So this is one other problem which I'm facing in my Triber from 3 years using. I've been using this car from 3 years and I've run around 22,000 kilometers. Okay, so let's see what could be the resolution and how much it costs. So let's just go and see. So we are checking the switch at first. Let's see if there is a problem in the switch. The problem has not been solved. Check the other side switch. So it's still not working. We're just trying to do it.
আপনি তো আসবেন না, আমি জানাবো বলিনি, আমি যে 1 ঘন্টা পর টাইম পাবো। হয়ে গেছে? হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ওই তরুণকে ফোন করেছিলেন? তরুণ কি বললো? আচ্ছা, না তরুণকে।
So finally guys, it started working. The problem is from this switch. Now it's time to get it fixed. ও
আর বেশি জল ঢুকুন না। মামাকে বললাম বুঝলি
করবে কি আবার না এরকম চলবে
চলে
চলবে